What is up, YouTube fan? Today we are going to be talking about training splits and what I think is the best way. And obviously everyone has their own opinion, so just take this into consideration. Something you could do. So first of all, welcome to the vlog, and I'd like to start out with saying my own personal training split. So before I even get into that, a training split is a way of working out that you split up your workouts throughout the week. And some people could call it a form of microcycle if you're looking at periodization. But if you're looking at just training week by week, I like to call it a training split. So doing a 6-day split where you're doing push, pull, legs, push, pull, legs. That'll be, so push being chest, shoulders, tries, pull being back and buys, and legs just being hamstrings, quads, calves, and adductors, abductors, external rotators. You could go really in depth of it, but if you're looking at this video specifically for the training split, not exercises, that's what I like to do. And I like to do the first 3 days, the push, pull, legs. I like to do that very heavy, all compound movements. Compound meaning with a bar, mostly getting more than one joint moving, and always supersetting with something else, so that at the end of the workout, I'm completely fatigued, I'm completely roasted. And then on the second 3 days, so the second push, pull, legs in the week, I like to do lighter workouts. So it'll be more like just isolation stuff, so just one joint, and then you're also going to be doing accessory work as well. So then maybe on my pull day or push day, I might throw in a lot of core work, and I'll also throw in stability, because stability is so important, especially if you're going to be doing any kind of movement throughout life, right? So we want to have that going there. Another split that you could do is called a bro split, and that's basically back and buys, chest and tries, legs, and abs and shoulders about 4 to 5 days a week. That's what a lot of people tend to do. But again, I don't really like doing that much. What it is for bros. So gym bros, if you're not aware, gym bro wears his hat backwards, dresses the way I do, just like this, flexes all the time, goes to the beach, picks up the ladies. But yeah, that was my old way of training, so not really a gym bro. Another training method that people like to do is full body every single day. And if you do full body every single day, you're most likely going to be not pushing yourself to the extreme, but you're probably going to be pushing yourself to about 50 to 70%. And that'll be for all the workouts in that, all the exercises in that one workout. And that'll basically be 4 days a week to 5 days a week. You could do that as much as you want. It's not really going to have any negative effects, obviously. Personally, I did the bro split for about 4 years, and I say I have a pretty impressive physique right now, but you could be the judge of that. Some people, most of the guys that I know that start out lifting, they like to do a bro split just because they don't know what the hell they're doing in the gym. It's a good starting point. So for example, if you're doing chest, you could do triceps, because it's also going to be incorporated in the lift, the synergist muscle group. So that's something to consider. But right now, like I said, I like to do push pull legs, 6 days a week, 1 day rest. And I find that if you're hitting the exercise, you're hitting the muscle group 2 times in 1 week, you're going to get the maximum gains. Like, there is no way in hell that you are not going to get maximum gains. All right, fam, thank you for watching the vlog. I just want to end on this note here. It is summertime, it is beautiful as hell out, and you woke up today, I woke up today, we are winning. You can't go wrong with winning, guys. So hope you enjoyed the vlog. Deuces. But it's alright, ain't showing up, but it's alright.